my second time to visit Baden-Baden, and this time I'm sharing my adventure to the alte Schloss of Baden-Baden. It was on July 2024 when I first visited the city, and for the first time heard about this beautiful castle ruin of Baden-Baden. I never had the chance to climb or rather trail towards the castle since I ran out of time. So in this video, for those who wish to visit the castle of Baden-Baden, it is now open to tourists. You can visit the place and retrace history in this fascinating ruin. Getting there could be very full of adventure. From the central train station of Baden-Baden, the only way to get to the city center and to the Schloss is by bus. In my case, I took bus 203 and dropped off at Balgfriedhof station, and I started walking using Google Map as my guide towards the castle. It took me about 55 minutes of walking following the well-paved road surrounded by nature. It is fun and relaxing as you ascend. You won't even notice the distance you have covered as you continue walking. For me, the best time of the year to visit this place is around February based on my experience. Summertime is maybe good, but I think it would be very hot, so climbing could be more tiresome and strenuous. I did not expect much about the castle because it's already a ruin, but once you get there, you can discover dark and secret dungeons or even find out the winding staircase that would lead you to the lookout point. I did not realize that the place would even make me more enthusiastic to discover more of what it can offer. Once you are there, be prepared to be fascinated over by the magnificent view of Baden-Baden, the Rhine Valley, and the Black Forests. Hohenbaden Old Castle, or Alte Schloss Hohenbaden in German, is one of the oldest possessions of the Margraves of Baden, with origins that go back to the 12th century. The oldest part of the complex, the Oberburg or Upper Castle, is built on the crest on the southwestern side of the battered hill. The newer Unterburg or Lower Castle was expanded on the orders of Margrave Bernhard I in the late 14th century. The impressive Bernhardsbau, the main building in the castle's lower courtyard, bears testimony to the heightened importance of the Margraves of Baden. In 1479, however, they moved to the more comfortable Neues Schloss or New Palace in the valley. The old castle fell into disuse and was left in ruins after a fire in the late 16th century. Interest in Hohenbaden Old Castle was reawakened in the 19th century when Baden-Baden became a popular spa destination. Today, the ruin with its fabulous view is one of the most attractive destinations in the northern Black Forests. As you descend back to the city center, you will pass by the vast expanse of green fields, a very extraordinary scenic view unique in its own merit, only can be found in Baden-Baden. It feels like you are in some place like Switzerland. So when you get the chance to visit Baden-Baden, take time to climb the famous Hohenbaden Alte Schloss. And before I'm going to end this video, allow me to say that life is full of wonder. Even if we are in the point in life where we cannot appreciate things, it sometimes helps to remember that there are really things to enjoy when we are ready. So let us seize every moment as they come, with open hearts and arms outstretched to embrace the possibilities that lie before us. This is Jhongix channel. Until my next travel, cheers!
Mm-hmm.